Hi, Frost here, your expert at all things moving. As you know, when moving long distance or interstate, garage is probably the very last room to be packed. Everybody's so scared of that place because it's full of garden equipment, sometimes lawnmowers, heavy stuff, and pretty much is a nightmare in terms of packing. Take a deep breath and follow our tips to successfully and efficiently pack your garage. Let's go. Number 1. And that's our universal point that applies to pretty much every room in the house and the whole move in general. Sort through your garage and choose the things that are necessary and you will be taking into your new home and the things you will be tossing out. I can believe and relate that nobody wants a crowded garage in their new home. Number 2. Choose packing materials. As with every room of the house, garage really needs a lot of attention when it comes to packing materials. Of course, you can get those at any office retailer store in your area, Home Depot, Lowe's, or any types of shops like these. You will need a usual set. Packing tape, some boxes, bubble wrap, sometimes packing peanuts. The challenge comes in with some items that you might find in your garage that have unique dimensions and sizes. Make sure that you make a full list for all of those items, and for those that are bulky and need some extra care handling, find a large enough box. Also, utilizing plastic boxes instead of cardboard ones will prove useful. Almost all your stuff in garage is pretty heavy, so even the heavy-duty boxes might rip during the move. Number 3. Garage sale. Right after you sorted through all your things in the garage and chose the ones that are not going with you, tag, price them, and inform your friends, family, and neighbors in the area that you're having a garage sale. This is a perfect possibility to gain some extra money and also have some quality time with people. Number 4. Donate everything you can. Right after your garage sale, the things that are left behind should be donated. It can include clothes, toiletries, pretty much everything, up to old furniture pieces. A lot of charities in your area, I'm sure, are accepting those, and some shelters, men and women shelters, would accept toiletries, canned food, and things like that. Number 5. Don't pack anything that is not allowed. This includes hazardous materials such as propane tanks, gasoline, and etc. You can refer to this episode on top 10 things that you shouldn't take on your moving truck when sorting out through your garage. And finally, number 6. Know the right strategies for packing your garage items. Here are just a few of those. Smaller tools such as screwdrivers, pliers, and etc. should be put into toolboxes to make sure that they are not scattered or lost. Big garden tools such as shovels and rakes are usually much more easy to move when they are taped up or roped up together. Also, power tools should be in all of their original boxes. Remove the batteries, make sure that everything fits in perfectly. Gas-operated machinery should be definitely emptied out. As for the bikes, make sure to disassemble them as much as possible before you start moving. As for the refrigerators, plug them out, dry them, and prepare them for the move. We also have a specific episode on moving your refrigerator. And finally, as for your grill, it does include a propane tank and it cannot be moved. So make sure to completely detach the propane tank before putting that grill on the moving truck. In conclusion, moving your garage is not rocket science, as I always say. This applies to every room. You just need a step-by-step guide and some tips to make sure that you keep the place clean and organized. Good luck with your move, and I wish you a clean, safe, and nice-looking garage.